Hello and welcome to another video from Easy Geek TV. Now, this video will not be a tutorial per se, but what I want to do with this video is present the new series of videos that we'll be dealing with in this channel, which will be surrounded and taking account Firefox. We will demonstrate on how you can customize Firefox to your liking, behavior, plugins, getting rid of the bloat, and all sorts of things from a Firefox veteran user, if I dare say so. I've been using Firefox since version 2 point something, if I remember, as long as I remember at least. So that means that this series of videos will be really helpful for a lot of people who maybe have not used Firefox at all, or think that it's not as useful as it used to be. Now, admittedly, during the Firefox development phases, there have been some backlashes from the community due to the not so good choices from the Mozilla developers and whatnot. It's been a bit of a bumpy road, if you wish, but Firefox has come a long way, and now we got profiles, we did not have such choices in Firefox world, so speaking. We did have containers, which we'll take care and explain in the videos that we'll be building and showing from now on. But now we've got profiles like we do have in, let's say, in Google Chrome, Chromium, or any Chromium-based browser like a Brave and so on and so forth. So this is just a short intro, really, sort of to open the appetite for people to follow the channel. The previous videos where we were explaining on how to install, customize, and work with the Linux Mint system. Now, in this series of videos from now on, we're going to deal with Firefox on how to customize it to fit our everyday needs, right? So if you'd like to know more about Firefox, stick around, subscribe, and stay tuned for upcoming videos. So this is just a heads up for what is coming. Stay tuned and follow the channel for the upcoming Firefox videos. So that's it for now. See you in the next video, where we'll be starting to sort of dig in on Firefox and make customization to fit our needs. So bye for now, and thanks for watching.